how to fix Instagram app loading slow. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If your Instagram app is loading super slow, don't worry. I'm here to share some quick tips to speed it up so you can scroll and post smoothly. So let's get started. First, let's check your internet connection. Slow or weak Wi-Fi or cellular data can make Instagram lag. Try switching to another network or reset your Wi-Fi router if needed. Next, clear cache. For Android users, clearing the Instagram cache can help improve loading speed. Go to settings, tap on application, then go to Instagram and tap on stories and then hit clear cache. For iPhone users, simply deleting and reinstalling the app can refresh the data. Next, update the Instagram application. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any updates, as updates often include performance improvements. Next, free up some storage. Low storage space on device can slow down app, including Instagram. Go to settings, tap on storage and delete any unnecessary files or app to free up space. Finally, if the app is slow, try restarting your device. Sometimes a quick reboot can fix small issues that affect performance. And that's it. Hopefully these steps help you fix the slow loading issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any other Instagram questions. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.